welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi and today I am coming up with a video on something which I really love to do that, and I hope you all will like it. So my today's video is on nail art, and this nail art I am going to do only with the household items. I am not using any nail art tool. For this I will be using nail paints, some matchsticks and some toothpicks and a piece of a plastic sheet. So let's get started. So first we will apply the base coat in all our nails. Start with the first design, that is a polka dots. So in this I am using white color as my base color. So I'll apply 2 coats of this white color like this way. Now I'm using the toothpick for the dots. Just make the dots like this. So we applied the 2 coats of the base color. Now we are going to make a pattern like this, like brackets with the toothpick. Third pattern is tie and dye. For this I am using these 2 colors, this one blue and this is a pink color, right? So we have to make dots with this. Design. For this again I am going to use this as a base color, white one. Okay, let's see. I'm going to apply 2 coats of the base color, right? Let it get this is a last design. It is a flower pattern. For this I am using the pink color as a base color. Apply the 2 coats of the base color. So once it is dried, take a toothpick and make dots like this. I'll put this top coat. It is same what I use as a base coat. So let's apply.